see what we got here.
Yeah, let's see what Cobb sent us. Oh yeah, license plate frame, stickers, use.
That wrapping kind of smells like a wet dog.
Woo. Alright, there you go. There's our new up pipe. Super high quality. Couldn't expect anything less from Cobb. You don't want that exhaust to get dented. Bubble wrap it good.
Bubble wrap the shit out of it. There she is. Just like that.
Alright, now we just gotta go get it installed. It's alright, now we just gotta take off the intercooler, cover all the hardware and some PB blaster, and then we'll see how many of them break off. Hopefully none, and then we'll take off the downpipe, and then we'll take off the up pipe from the headers, and then before that we'll do the oil feed and drain tubes, and then we'll disconnect it from the headers and then take out the up pipe and turbo all together, and then we'll reseal it all on the workbench.
Got those broken nuts covered though.
Yeah, just in case we need them. Got all of our Subaru genuine hardware here, so genuine parts. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, like we were talking about here, we got to pull this intercooler off. You got to do the throttle body there, coupler from the turbo, the mounts, pull that off, and then we can get
return valve,
the downpipe, like he's saying, return valve. Yeah, we just got to start disconnecting stuff here, so let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, we got the intercooler off, we got the downpipe off. Now we just need to get the up pipe off, right buddy?
We're gonna leave the up pipe on. We'll take the up pipe off. I've got the up pipe bolts off of the header, and then I will take off the clamp that clamps the big pair and intake to the turbo. Undo that clamp, and then pull the turbo out with the downpipe or the up pipe on it, and then replace my oil return hose gasket, and then put all the new gaskets on, get it all back here together.
Alright, let's get that turbo off and then start this reassembly process here. Let's do it.
Alright.
Paul's got all the hardware out. Can you get it out of there yet? Little shimmy shimmy. Oh, you got that oil, or the
yeah, the oil,
coolant hose too.
The coolant hose and the...
You got pliers out here?
No.
Gotta get pliers. Don't hurt your fingers.
Shit.
That hurts.
And I have it done.
There's that. The little vacuum hose.
No, the oil hose. Shit, I wasn't ready.
Came off easy.
Turbo just popped right out of there, didn't it?
That came out easy.
Throw that under the belt. Is that live?
The intake's a strip. Is a trip the way that intake is loops underneath the manifold like
Right.
that all the way to the turbo.
Right?
But that makes sense why these like recirculative blow-off valves.
Yep,
This
that's what they
design
come
is-
with stock, yeah, but
I think everything comes with those stock. But Subis, you can't put aftermarket ones on them. They don't like, unless you have like aftermarket tunes or aftermarket ECUs. They like to have the so much pressure in the manifold.
I thought I was ready, Scotty. That's funny.
Well, you got the drain tube off,
I got it all off except for the oil.
the feed line.
Yeah. And the threads are 4 inches long, so there we go.
It's weird you have to get it around that intercooler mount.
Yeah, right? See, the knuckle came completely off. This was one of the, I do believe it was a Grim Speed flex joint up pipe.
Completely came off it.
The flex just broke off just from wear and tear. It's been on here for a while, but
Alright, now we just gotta take this one off and then install the Cobb unit.
wastegate crack.
Whoop.
Not really sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted. Sure who's the one making the decisions. Wake up, scream.
Alright guys, that completes the video working on the 05 Subaru STI. We started the video by, you know, taking apart the Subaru. We pulled off the intercooler, and then we soaked all of the turbo hardware with PB Blaster, and then we pulled off the downpipe, and then we pulled off the oil return and the oil pressure feed, and then also the coolant lines that went to the turbo, and then we pulled the turbo off, and then we brought it inside over to the welding table and pulled everything off. We're pretty sure it was like a Grimspeed up pipe on there, and it had completely separated, so I don't think Paul was even getting any boost to his turbo at all. And then also we discovered a crack in the wastegate housing, but apparently in these STIs, Paul was saying that it's kind of a common thing, and a lot of guys just run them until they have more issues than that. But I don't know, I'm not a Subaru guy, Paul is, so. And he's new to it as well, so can't really you know, take for what we're saying for anything serious, you know what I mean? I totally don't know. But yeah, so, and then we were able to get that up pipe off there, and then he installed his new Cobb up pipe, which is solid. There is no flex pipe in it, so I mean, I think it's a much better design just from an engineering standpoint. And then we got that installed on there, and then it took Paul a little bit to get it reinstalled on the car, and it got dark on us, so there's no B-roll to show you kind of how it looks after it's all done. But it's an up pipe, nothing too special. It looks good, it's sealed up well, and now we're sure that Paul will get lots of boost going home, because I mean, it was completely separated. I don't think he was getting any boost to his turbo itself. I mean, come on, I don't know, crazy. So, and then also we discovered that his the Firewall piece, what do they call that? I'm not sure what they call it, but it's the Firewall engine mount that goes between the Firewall and the engine. It was completely broken, so Paul's going to have to order one of those up, and we're going to have to change that out as soon as we can, because, I mean, come on, you can't have one of your motor mounts broken. What is that? So, yeah, you know, a little bit different of video today, guys. I hope you guys liked it. It was fun to work on a Subaru for once. Well, I really didn't work on it. Paul did, but it was fun to be a part of it. And then, yeah, it's nice to work on a Subaru for once instead of just these trucks. So it's a nice way to break it up a little bit. Alright guys, the next episode here, we'll continue work on the Chevrolet Silverado here, and we'll actually start making all the link parts. It's kind of what we have laid out here, just parts, you know, just kind of designing up the link tubes or link brackets and stuff out of cardboard before we actually start making pieces out of steel. So we'll continue working on that then, guys. Thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as always. You know, thanks for liking and subscribing to all the new people. Super cool. It's super cool to see how quickly the channel is growing and see how many people are subscribing. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, enough of that, guys. I mean, thanks for watching today. Thanks for your constant support, as always, guys. And then if you like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com, at Facebook, and on Instagram, guys. Follow along there with all the crazy projects. We'll see you tomorrow.